Hey guys, Mark again from the block, and hey, onward, right? And part of a concern that some of our downsizer group has is, what am I going to do with all this stuff, right? We've been in the house for 15, 20 years or more. We've been collecting things along the way, some of which we probably should have gotten a long time ago, but it can be daunting to walk around a house and to look and see, like, my goodness, what am I going to do with all this stuff? So we've got a few options. We are partnered with several auction companies around town. We are connected to a number of charity groups to give some items away. We've got plenty of options in the way of assisting with a yard sale, garage sale, these kinds of things. And then, there's probably some things that might even be able to go along with the sale of the home that might actually help. So a big part of our ability to help is to come out and actually assess the property. We'll do a walkthrough. We can take a look at the current condition. Of course, see what the contents are that we're looking to have removed, either prior to a sale or as a result of a closing, right? And then just give advice on this, right? So this is an option that many of our downsizers are taking us up on, because this process really could take months and even upwards of a year or more to facilitate, to really get ready up here, and then of course to make the house ready to be sold. So if this is something that you're wanting to start the conversation on, we'll be thrilled to talk with you about it. Reach us anytime. Mark from the block at Keller Williams.